Hi friends, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. Welcome to our Tirumala Max channel. Top 22 mark question, chapter 3, algebra நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போறோம். So, முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. I always say that unless you have முயற்சி and பயிற்சி, you will not be able to get a வெற்றி. So, please make note of that and இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வையும் எழுத வேண்டும். Make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of my life. The journey towards your dream has just begun. So please make note of that. So 10th standard max, top 20 max important questions. The first question is chapter algebra. Question number 1. 3.1 the father age is 6 times his son's age. 6 years. Hence the age of father will be 4 times his son's age. Find the present ages of the son and father. So please make note of that and let us go to the question number 2. Question number 2 is example 3.2. Solve 2x minus 3y equal to 6, comma x plus y equal to 1. So question number 3. Example 3.12. Find the LCM of the following. The third one is x power 4 minus 1, comma x square minus 2x plus 1. So let us go to the next question. Question number 4. Example 3.13. Reduce the rational expressions to its lowest form. 1. It's x minus 3 by x square minus 9. Second is x square minus 16 by x square plus 8x plus 16. Question number 5. Explain 3.14. Find the excluded values of the following expressions. The second question is 7p plus 2 divided by 8p square plus 13p plus 5. Let's go to the question number 6. Exercise 3.6 first sum. Simplify. First one is x of x plus 1 by x minus 2 plus x of 1 minus x by x minus 2. I just wanted to tell you that for social examination, all study materials is available in my description link. You can go through it and get benefit of that, and as well as for science, so also it is already uploaded and get benefit of that, my dear children. Let us go to the question number 7. Find the zeros of quadratic expression x square plus 8x plus 12. That is example 3.23. Find the expressions of zeros of the quadratic equation expression x square plus 8x plus 12. Let's go to the next one, that is example 3.24. So 3.24 write down the quadratic equation in general form from which sum and product of the roots are given below. The first one is 9 comma 14 and second one is minus 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2 and third one is minus 3 by 5 comma 1 by 2. This is stated to be a very important question, that is they are asking for you to find a general form for which the sum and product of roots they are given. So you have to see the sum and as well as the product of the roots of these given questions. Let's go to the question number 9. Example 3.25. Find the sum and product of the roots for each of the following quadratic equation. The first one is x square plus 8x minus 65 equal to 0. Second one is 2x square plus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. The 10th question is example 3.32. Solve x square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. So question number 10 is example 3.32 is solve x square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0 by the formula method. Let us go to the, before going to the next question, I would like to tell you that we have uploaded social science study material which is given in the description link. You may please go through it and get benefit of that, my dear children. And as well as for science also, we have already uploaded one set of questions along with the study material, so that will be very useful for your purpose. Go to the question number 11. Question number 11 is exercise 3.12. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is 24 by 5, find the number. So I'll repeat question. Question number 11, exercise 3.12. If the difference between a number and its reciprocal is, find the number. Let's go to this. Exercise 3.57 is, if a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So I'll repeat example 3.57. If a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So question number 13 is exercise 3.17. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are these possible orders it can have? What if has 6 elements? So you place note of that and get a benefit of that. So I'll repeat once again. If a matrix of the 18 elements, what are the possibilities of can be done? And then what if has 6 element? So let us go to the next one. Question number 14. So exercise 3.17. So which is stated to be a very important question, and let 4a 5 comma 4 comma 3 1 minus 7, so 3 8 2, and find the transpose of a. So I hope in the answer உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Know that one, which is very useful for you to get a very good mark, my dear children. And let us go to the question number 15. The question number 15 is example 0.66. If a is equal to 83, 350 and 876. So which is stated to be a very important question. And then b is equal to 864, 211 minus 3 and 015, and c is equal to 530 minus 172143. So that is, the first one is 3a plus minus c, and 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2a. And the next one is question number 16, exercise 3.18. Find x and y if x of 4 3 plus y of minus 2 3 is equal to 4 and 6. Then the next one is question number 17, example 4.68. If a is equal to 1 and is equal to 2 1 3, find AB and BA. Verify that AB is equal to BA. The next one is, let us see question number 18. Exercise 3.19. If A is equal to cos theta, sin theta, and minus sin theta, cos theta, prove that A transpose is equal to I. So which means A is equal to cos theta and sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Prove that A transpose is equal to 1. Exercise 3.19, and this one, if A of an order P and Q, B is order of Q and R. So what is the order of AB and BA? So number 20. So question number 20 is exercise 3.19. So verify that a square is equal to 5 minus 4, 6 comma minus 5. So with that, I hope in the answer உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிருக்கும். Subscribe to Tirumala Max YouTube channel and forward to your friends also about this channel. I hope, and as I told you, we are given a lot of information about exams. So please make note of that and get benefit of that. Please subscribe to Tirumala Max YouTube channel and share to your friends also, and like button, and I wish you all the success in your examination. Please stay tuned out to more exam updates, my dear student. Thank you.